Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing a launcher and an iOS-style icon pack so the visuals match. Once installed, make sure you set the new launcher as your default home app. This prevents Android from reverting. Next, grant notification and widget permissions so badges and widgets behave correctly. You're doing this first so later steps apply system-wide. If installing an APK, enable unknown sources briefly and confirm a backup exists. That avoids losing your previous layout if you need to revert. Now you'll shape the screen. Change the grid to 4x6 or 4x5 to mimic iOS spacing and margins. Then apply the icon pack and tweak icon size and label visibility so icons sit flush without text clutter. Add a dock and set the launcher to hide the app drawer so swiping behaves like iOS. Arrange your apps into pages and drag core apps to the dock. This creates the familiar single-layer look you expect from an iPhone home screen. Finish by adding iOS-style widgets and resizing them to fit the grid. Align edges so nothing overlaps. Then configure gestures. Assign a swipe down for notifications, a swipe up for Control Center, and home gestures to open search. Once done, test every gesture and launch apps to confirm icons and badges work. If something breaks, clear the launcher cache and reload the icon pack, or briefly switch back to your old launcher to diagnose. This single troubleshooting tip results.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.